Hello, everybody. I'm Alex Nogales, President and CEO of the National Hispanic Media Coalition. As many of you know, the National Hispanic Media Coalition has been at the forefront of informing the Latino population across the nation, in both English and in Spanish, about the transition from analog to digital television. A couple of months ago, I did some PSAs for the National Association of Broadcasters that were kind enough to contact us and tell us that they would want us to do this. Not only PSAs, but also a half-hour program that has been airing throughout the nation. And we'd like to give you pieces of this, and the reason for that is because it is very, very important that our population, that the Latino population, make that transition as smoothly as possible. So here is part of what I had to say in those broadcasts.
Hold on. Starting February 17th, 2009, it won't matter how much you adjust it, hit it, or pound on it. If the site you use to receive your free broadcast TV isn't ready to receive digital, it simply will not work.
TV is going digital. No, I'm not aware of that.
You will not be able to receive programming of any sort, and you will be in the dark.
There are about 69 million television sets in America that are going to be impacted by this.
The switch to digital is coming sooner than you think.
On February 17th, 2009, at midnight.
It sounds like a long time from now. It's not.
If you're prepared for the transition, instead of snow, you'll get crystal clear pictures and incredible sound.
Better picture and sound, and it's free, I'd say digital.
The difference is fantastic in terms of the visual and the audio as well.
It's more like watching a movie than it is watching television today.
I love digital TV.
Anybody who remembers the old days of adjusting rabbit ear antennas and seeing snow on their screen is going to appreciate the digital picture quality.
With digital television transmission, you get awesome pictures, great sound quality, multiple channels of programming, and it's free. It's free.
The switch to digital is exciting, but viewers who don't take the easy steps necessary to prepare for the transition risk losing their free television programming. Now's the time. Are you ready?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how can I help you?
I see you're watching Antenna Television.
If you currently receive your television via antenna, or what we called in the old days rabbit ears, you will need to get a converter box and attach it to your analog television, and you'll be great.
I just happen to have a box. If you let me, I'll show you how easy it is.
Well, sure, why not?
So, what do you think?
This is really good. Can I keep the box?
Converter boxes are easy to get. They're already available in some stores and online wherever TVs or other consumer electronic products can be purchased.
There will be a lot of converter boxes on the market like this one, which carries the Zenith brand. All you need to do is hook your antenna in here and the antenna output into the television set.
Once you get your box, it's easy to install. First, we start with a converter box and a suitable antenna for the digital TV channels. The new antenna is needed in case the existing antenna will not work. Make sure the television is turned off and unplugged. After making sure you have the right cables and connectors, move the antenna cable from the television to the antenna input on the converter box. Then connect the converter box to the television. Turn the TV set and the converter box on. Rescan your channels. If you're getting a digital signal, you should receive clear pictures and sound. The converter box makes all the difference.
It's going to be a permanent fix for those folks that don't want to buy a new television set.
In addition to converting the digital signal to analog, also helps take advantage of some of the program information that a lot of broadcasters are including. There's a simple button, it's a very simple guide. It'll tell you some program information for the current program, what's the titles, maybe some stars and the like, how much time is remaining, and also give you an idea what the next program on that station is. So that's just one of the extra digital bits of data that can be embedded into the broadcast stream that can be taken advantage of.
But don't fear the cost yet. Help is on the way.
Hi there. Hi, I heard you need to be hooked up with digital television.
That would be great, as long as I didn't have to pay a whole pocket full of money.
The federal government will subsidize $40 for the cost of an eligible converter.
This comes in the form of coupons that are available to TV owners with antenna TV sets.
Every household can get up to 2 coupons. In some cases, the coupons could cover the cost of the entire box, depending on who the box manufacturer and the cost is.
The coupons can be taken to retailers across the country who are selling converter boxes.
This Zenith box sells for about $60, so for $20 out of your pocket and a $40 coupon, you get the converter box. And not only do you get a crystal clear digital picture, but you got a lot of other cool features like digital closed captioning with different colors and fonts.
Now, households in the United States and its territories are eligible for coupons on a first-come, first-served basis, and a maximum of 2 $40 coupons per household will be allowed.
I think it's a great opportunity. For people who love great broadcast television, this is a phenomenal opportunity to get better picture quality, awesome audio, and more services, and to get it for free. So if you love television the way I love television, this is an awesome opportunity.
Sounds like a pretty good deal.
Depending on the manufacturer, converter boxes can range in price from $40 to $70. Remember, TV owners with antenna TV sets can apply to the government to get 2 coupons per household, valued at $40 each.
So it's not going to be terrible for you to make this transition. It'll be relatively inexpensive.
Supplies are limited. They are available on a first-come, first-served basis and expire 90 days from the day they are mailed.
But you have to apply for it. You must apply for it.
It's real easy to get the coupon. All you have to do is go online to www.dtv2009.gov. Or you can call toll-free 888-DTV-2009.
Or for the hearing impaired, 877-530-2634. There is another number for the Spanish-speaking, 888-388-2009. Make the application so that that coupon can be sent to you. Remember, that coupon is worth $40, and each household can apply for 2. Very important, because most of us have 2 or 3 and sometimes even 4 sets in the household. So everybody, there are 3 things that we can do to make sure that we're not excluded from that analog to digital transition, that in fact our televisions don't go dark because we didn't take steps to not let that happen. 3 things are: number 1, you can buy a digital television, which can be an expensive proposition. Number 2, you can subscribe to cable or satellite. Number 3, you can send away for a converter box. Now, you need coupons to do that, so the first thing you must do is call this number that's going to appear at the bottom of my screen so that, in fact, you can get those coupons. Those coupons, 2 per household, are worth $40 a piece. The converter boxes that are going to be coming out, one of them from EchoStar is going to be $40, $39.99, $40. You can get that one if you're in a budget. You can get another one, but you don't really need to. They're more expensive ones, but you don't really need them. So let us make that transition as smoothly as possible. Muchas gracias.